Hello guys, welcome to this channel once again. And today I just want to feature this chicken who doesn't like to eat anything. So I resorted to just to let her out from the coop, and then I let her in my little garden. So let's see what you wanna eat. We'll just find out and see what she's doing. She's looking for something exotic food to eat, like insects, and then some kind of weeds. Not all kinds of weeds that I can find it out there nearby, but then um, yeah, let her be the one to choose which is which. Sometimes some problems occur like this, that even though I give some particular medicine, but it seems that doesn't work. So um, just let her out for the meantime from the coop. I guess I will let her stay here for hours so she will enjoy what she's doing. Actually, I can see that she's happy. Hey, it's alright. You can eat those a few strawberries there. Sometimes the chicken knows which medicinal weeds that is right for them in times of when they're not feeling well. Something a few exotic, like I don't know if it is earthworm. Hmm? It's yummy. Hmm? That's yummy. Ew, what kind of food is that? See, they really like to eat something like exotic. Hey, that they couldn't find in the coop. Hey, what's that? Alright, I think this end of the video, and I hope that you will feel better for these upcoming days. Okay, see you for the next vlog. Thank you.